No doubt about it, spending lots of time at home with family due to the pandemic has given many homebuyers a new set of priorities for their home search. Not surprisingly, most of these new priorities are about having plenty of space. This includes space for family activities including cooking. Light-filled, airy homes are better for our morale. Families have discovered that home cooking can be fun, nutritious, and save money. Privacy. Family members, including kids, need space for a break from family time. Home office. Working remotely is likely to be much more common, so quiet space and tech connections are more important than ever. Working out. Fitness promotes both physical and mental well-being. Outdoor fun. Having space for sunshine, activities, a garden, and maybe a pet is great. Another home feature besides space that now has a high priority is energy and water efficiency. More time at home means more use of energy and water, so maximizing efficiency saves you money. So whatever you're looking for in your new home, you may want to consider adding some of these features to your list. Contact your real estate agent and Academy Mortgage Loan Officer to learn more.